Alrighty folks, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be fixing an Italian sub without the sub bun. It's going to be low carb. You could use a low carb wrap if you want. Now here Carolyn is, she's fixing some onions. You pour in some olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever kind of oil you want, and then you get some salad supreme and just pour that on top of there, mix it up. Gosh, it's good. There's a local barbecue place out in town, and that's what they fix on their Italian subs, them onions. They sell the onions separate. You can buy just onions to eat, and it's real good. It'll have real good flavor, folks. But just mix those up, slice your onions thin, and just let them sit there, soak up that goodness. Alright, it's all it is. Be the same thing as if you had your bread there. Put whatever lunch meat you want on it, whatever lettuce or spinach, just put on whatever you want there. It's been hot, humid. They've been a canning all day. This is an easy meal to fix, quick clean up, and finish up the day. Like I said, it tastes just like an Italian sub, just without the bread. We've been doing the low carb diet here for a little while now. It would have really been good to have had some shredded cheese sprinkled on top. It'd been a lot quicker and easier. But we used what we had there in the house. On the way home I forgot to get it. Just mix it up. It's pretty good. That's what I've been having Carolyn fix me to take to work for lunch. I almost forgot that tomato. And that's just about it, folks. Just a quick, simple, easy meal. And I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you would, please subscribe. It's free. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.